how to create a TikTok account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, install our TikTok app right here. And then once you've installed your TikTok app right there, the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open it. So once you click open right there, this is what it should look like. So just click the skip button right here. So if you want to choose what you like, you can also do that. But I will just click skip. And then once you're now here, of course, you can just scroll up right here. But if you want to log in into your account, or if you want to create an account, all you have to do is to click your profile right here on the bottom right corner of the screen. So click it right there. After that, click the sign up button, which is right here on the bottom. So click the sign up button right there. And then you can now sign up to create a TikTok account. So just click which one you would like to use. You can use your phone, your email, your Facebook, or your Google. So I'm just going to continue with my Google right here. And then just choose the Gmail that you want to use. After that, just set your birth date, which is right here. And then click done. And then once you do that, that is how you do it. So you can put your nickname. So just continue right here. And then if you go back and look on your profile, this is what it should look like. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to create a TikTok account.